Hey beauties, it's Melissa and this is IPSY Beauty 101. I'm going to show you how I moisturize, hydrate, and style these curls. So today I'm going to be using the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Miracle Treatment. I'm a glam mom. I need this in my life because it's only 1 to 3 minutes after I shampoo. I put this in from root to end and then rinse it out. It's that easy. This one has argan and shea butter, so I absolutely love that. It's anti-breakage, and I love that it's gonna hydrate my curls. So one of the things that I do is I do section off my hair. Okay, so first of all, I know I look crazy, so don't come for me, don't judge me. We washed our hair already, so now we're going to go in with the deep treatment. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. It's like a lemony, like fresh scent, and I'm just gonna start off at the ends and work up to the root, smooth it down, and then I'm gonna start finger detangling. So after I finger detangle, I'm gonna do this in a quick twist. It's gonna keep my hair detangled while I'm rinsing out the deep conditioner. I'm gonna clip this off, go rinse it out, and we will be back to style the hair. I finished using this. I rinsed it out of my hair and I have twisted my hair to keep it detangled. So the next step I'm going to do is apply an oil. Not everyone doesn't need this step, but I'm going to apply it before I apply my leave-in. So next we're going to use the Marc Anthony by Frizz leave-in conditioner. It is a heat protectant that's also a leave-in conditioner. Heat protectants reduce damage, not prevent it, and it also creates a barrier between your hair and the heating tool. Okay, so the great thing about this product is that it's a multi-purpose product. It's a leave-in, which means that it's going to trap in the moisture, and it also serves as your heat protectant, protecting your hair from the heating tools that you're about to use. Okay, so today I'm going to be using a diffuser. Did you even know that this was a diffuser? I had no idea the first time I had a blow dryer that this was a diffuser. But this is for your curls, and so this is going to isolate the airflow, so it minimizes the frizz in your hair, and it's also going to dry it faster than air dry. So I'm going to finish off with this curl enhancing styling foam. It's going to give me some hold and make my curls last. I'm just going to take a little bit of the styling foam and we're going to finger coil. Finger coiling is allowing me to give my hair a little bit more definition and actually forming some curls in the front. So I section off my hair and I just take a little piece and I'm just going to wrap it around my finger. Okay, so the styling foam is going to not only give hold, but it's also going to set the style. So you want to make sure the way that you apply the product is the way that it's styled. So I already have my part here. That's how I want my hair to be. And I'm going to make some bangs in the front. So this is the way that I want to apply my foam. Before going in to diffuse, let's talk about how to diffuse. We want the diffuser to be at our roots and not our ends because we want to reduce the frizz on the ends, and the crown takes the longest to dry, and that's what we want to diffuse. It's also going to allow us to get some volume in our hair and dry it a lot faster than air drying. We're going to tilt our head and apply the diffuser directly to the roots and actually move it every few seconds so we evenly dry the roots. So this blow dryer has two settings. It has a low and high setting, and then it also has a low and high heat. This button right here allows cool air to flow through here, and you're gonna need that. So let's talk about the cool setting. Like your skin, needs cool water to close the pores, this is going to seal the cuticle. So that's going to reduce frizz and actually give your hair a lot more shine. On this blow dryer, I'm going to use high air, low heat, and every now and then I'm going to be pushing this button, which is the cool setting, so it seals the cuticle while I'm styling my hair. Okay, so next I'm going to use the concentration nozzle. This is going to allow me to elongate the curls and cause some stretch and volume. So this is my final look. I'm Melissa, and thanks for watching IPSY Beauty 101.